3.4 ounce tube of Sensodyne Repair and Protect Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. Toothpaste for sensitive teeth from the number 3 dentist recommended brand for sensitive teeth. Sensodyne fluoride toothpaste builds a repairing layer inside the tiny tubules of the sensitive areas of your teeth. 2, 3. Hello everyone. We hope you're having a fantastic day. Stannis fluoride formula provides lasting protection against sensitivity with twice daily brushing so you can enjoy life without the worry of sensitivity. 1. Toothpaste with an ingredient that is clinically proven for sensitivity relief and lasting protection. 1. This toothpaste repairs sensitive areas of your teeth so you can go back to the things that you enjoy eating the most. 2, 3. This whitening toothpaste is breath freshening. I thank you so much for hanging out, and please consider sharing the video with others. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
So this is the Sensodyne Whitening Repair and Protect Toothpaste. Now, if you're like me and you have sensitive teeth, I remember when I was when you get sensitive teeth, you don't really know that it's a problem. It kind of creeps up on you gradually. But I had trouble even just drinking a glass of tap water to clean my back. It's terrible because it makes you afraid to drink a glass of cold water. And don't rinse, spit it out, but let it stay there, like before you go to bed.